Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorial how to change color of object. We have this default object and I will add more object. You can click add tools, go to mesh and I will add a cylinder. You can move in a green axis to drag it. So if you want to change color of this object, you can select the object and then go to material tab. You can click at this icon. And then you can click plus to create new material. Or you can set for base color. You can click at this column. You can set color like into red. And click outside. Now you can change for the preview in it. Like I will set into viewport settings. And the object selected will be changed the color. So I will select again this box object. Can move into the material. So I will click at this column and then you can change that into green. The object will be set into green. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorial, how to change color of object. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.